In this video, I'm going to show you how to change dimensions in Planner 5D. So to do this, first you want to select an object or a room or whatever you want to change dimensions of. So I'm going to click on this bed right now, and at the bottom here you can change the width, depth, height, etc. If I go and change the width, for example, to 400 and the depth to like 500 and then height to, I don't know, 400 as well, you can see it's going to give me like a huge bed. If I go to 3D mode, it's going to be very, very big, okay? So that's of course the first way you could do this if you have things like furniture and stuff like that. Now, of course, you could also change dimensions of different areas or rooms or stuff like that. Just click on the room, and then again, down here you have options of height, thickness of your walls, and then the flooring height, stuff like this. You could also just change dimensions by dragging like this up or down when you're, of course, have your walls selected. You could also change them by clicking on the corners over here, and yeah, that's essentially how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.